Prism Metal Toddler Bed, Grey by Novogratz is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. Transition your child who has outgrown a crib to this modern Novogratz Prism Metal Toddler Bed. This bed is the perfect height for your toddler to climb in and out of and has nice rounded corners as an added safety feature. The fixed, slatted side rails provide added security while your toddler is in the bed. You can also have peace of mind knowing the finish has been tested for lead and other toxic elements to meet or exceed U.S. government and ASTM safety standards. The painted light gray finish adds a subtle pop of color to your child's room. Toddler bed fits a standard-sized crib mattress. Crib mattress sold separately, no box spring needed. This sturdy metal toddler bed measures to be 27 by 29, 4W by 54. 4D and is recommended to be assembled and moved by 2 adults. Promote your toddler from a crib to the Novogratz Prism Metal Toddler Bed. Rounded corners, slatted side rails, and a low profile adds to the safety features of this bed to put your mind at ease while your child adjusts to a new bed. Toddler bed fits a standard-sized crib mattress, not included, and does not require a box spring. Painted in a light gray, this metal toddler bed will look great for years of use. 2 adults are recommended for proper assembly. Dimensions, 27 by 29. 4W by 54. 4D. Toddler bed weight limit is 50 lbs.